Study the new updated Microsoft PL-300 exam questions here. 1. What is the minimum number of datasets and storage modes required to support the reports? A. 2 imported datasets. B. A single direct query dataset. Circa 2 direct query datasets. D. A single imported dataset. 2. Which two types of visualizations can be used in the balance sheet reports to meet the reporting goals? Each correct answer presents part of the solution. Note: each correct selection is worth 1 point. A line chart that shows balances by quarter filtered to account categories that are long-term liabilities. B. A clustered column chart that shows balances by date, x-axis, and account category, legend, without filters. C. A clustered column chart that shows balances by quarter filtered to account categories that are long-term liabilities. D. A pie chart that shows balances by account category without filters. E. A ribbon chart that shows balances by quarter and accounts in the legend. 3. You need to create the on-time shipping report. The report must include a visualization that shows the percentage of late orders. Which type of visualization should you create? A. Bar chart. B. Scatterplot. Circa pie chart. 4. You need to minimize size of the dataset. The solution must meet the report requirements. What should you do? A. Change light order D column in the orders table to the text data type. B. Filter out discontinued products while importing the product table. C. Remove the quantity per unit column from the products table. D. Group the categories table by the category LD column. 5. You need to configure access for the sales department users. The solution must meet the security requirements. What should you do? A. Add the sales department as a member of the reports workspace. B. Add the Azure Active Directory group of the sales department as an admin of the reports workspace. C. Distribute an app to the users in the Azure Active Directory group of the sales department. D. Share each report to the Azure Active Directory group of the sales department. 6. You need to create the dataset. Which dataset mode should you use? A. Direct query. B. Import. Circa live connection. D. Composite. 7. You have a table that contains sales data and approximately 1,000 rows. You need to identify outliers in the table. Which type of visualization should you use? A. Area chart. B. Donut chart. Circa scatter plot. D. Pie chart. 8. You have a collection of reports for the HR department of your company. You need to create a visualization for the HR department that shows a historic employee counts and predicts trends during the next 6 months. Which type of visualization should you use? A. Scatter chart. B. Ribbon chart. Circa line chart. D. Key influences. 9. You build a report to help the sales team understand its performance and the drivers of sales. The team needs to have a single visualization to identify which factors affect success. Which type of visualization should you use? A. Key influences. B. Funnel chart. C. Q and AD line and clustered column chart. 10. You have a data model that contains many complex DAX expressions. The expressions contain frequent references to the related and RELATEDTABLE functions. You need to recommend a solution to minimize the use of the related and RELATEDTABLE functions. What should you recommend? A. Merge tables by using Power Query. B. Hide unused columns in the model. C. Split the model into multiple models. D. Transpose.